Welcome back, guys. Got another repair video for you. For all you Jeep enthusiasts out there that have been dying for Jeep content on my channel, well, here we go. 97 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo with the 4.0 inline 6 V6. I don't care how it's worded, that's what I'm calling it. I got really abused in the comments of that's not a V6, that's an inline 6. I don't really care. It's got 6 cylinders. It's a V6, that's what I'm calling it. So anyhow, today's video we are going to be replacing the coolant temperature sensor, and that bad boy is located right down here. So the tools you're going to need to do this repair, very simple. 3H ratchet, a 19mm deep weld socket. It could be a 3/8, it could be a 1/2 inch, it don't matter, but mine is actually a 1/2 inch, and it's a 12 point because my 6 point will not go on it. So anyhow, we're using a half drive with a 3/8 adapter. You may need an extension, some Teflon tape for the sensor, wrap around it so it doesn't cause a leak. You get that at any place for like 99 cents at Harbor Freight. And here's the part number. Come on. SU3035. I think it was around $23, something like that, maybe about 27. But check engine light's on, temperature gauge is not reading right, so we're replacing it. So let's get to it. Another telltale sign that these go bad. First of all, connector's broke. There's supposed to be a tab that you push down and pull out. If you look inside there, you can see it's all wet with coolant. Usually, most of the time, when these fail, you can see the stuff inside, is they'll crack in the housing and coolant will leak past in here and get into this connector and then corrode everything and then mess up the readings as well. So, what you do is you get some electrical cleaner or even get some of that air cleaner for computers. Just pop that bad boy off. Spray it in that connector, blow it out compressed air, let it dry out for a little bit, and then you should be good. Alright, so now you got it all loose. You can turn it by hand. Lay that out of the connector just out of the way. Get it out of the way. Alright. You need to make sure that you got your new sensor ready to go next beside it, because once you take this out, coolant's going to come going everywhere. And if you lose too much, then top some off. But I believe this one's got, yeah, well, man, is that ever corroded. And that is nasty. Doesn't look like coolant to me, and it's going to need a coolant flush. Screw her back in. By hand first. Don't use the socket because you could strip it. Just crank her down until she gets real snug. And actually it's in the same spot where it was, so works out great. I've already cleaned the connector out with that cleaner, spread it out, let it dry, plug her right in, fire it up, check for leaks, and that's pretty much it. She's fixed. Clear the codes, do a drive cycle, and I think I'd call it done. So, if you're experiencing some overheating problems, maybe even some leaks, or some stumbling, some cutting up, or just not running right, or bad fuel mileage, or you got a check engine light for that sensor, that's pretty much how you replace it. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the bottom. I'll try my best to get to them. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so every time I upload a video, you get notified. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more. Try my best to get more Jeep content for one of you lovers out there.